Come along as we enjoy some coffee out in the woods. Good morning. We're out here in Forest Falls. Just chill, have some coffee and some food. It's nice out, 45 degrees. They just opened up the parking lot for the Big Falls trailhead, so we might check that out later. But we're just coming out, like I said, have some coffee, get out for a couple hours, and enjoy nature. So here we go. You can see some of the flood damage here from the Valentine's Day flood. You used to be able to just walk right across this, and instead it's 2 to 3 feet cut out, going up. Pretty neat to see. We were just coming up the Mill Creek Canyon, and right up through here a bunch of big rocks started coming down, so something knocked them down. I'm looking up there, don't see anything, but it's probably either a deer or a bighorn sheep. And take a look at this. All these rocks have just landed perfectly right there. If you see the line of dirt on the tree, that's how high up the floodwaters got over here. And that's probably good from the bottom up, maybe 7 feet tall? Yeah, 7 feet tall right there. So these floodwaters were coming up to the bank pretty much and blowing it over and going down. Starting to wonder about our destination because we came up a different route. I saw this here, so I thought, okay, well, we're close. I see some metal siding. As I come across, right up in there is the cabin. Destination for today was coming up here to the old general store that supplied this mining camp, Burris Camp. We're gonna probably have lunch in the sun right there. Maybe over here. Got these up here. Don't know what those were for, but somebody put them up there many years ago. They're probably closer to the ground when this camp was going, but now they're 8 feet high. You got all the metal siding here. A lot of flat areas down here. I bet right in this area would be where they had the tent camps, because the mine was directly behind me here. Really neat. So we're gonna stop here and have an early lunch, some coffee, and that's what we came out to do. Just have a good time and enjoy the outdoors. Made it here to camp, making our coffee now. I've got the old reliable Trader Joe's. I'll be using Soda Windmaster, which is an amazing stove. Got my little, it's like my ultralight cook set. Got my little Evernew, was it the 0.6 liter? The thing works great. It's enough water for my little cup of coffee. And then of course, brought the table. My Cascade Wild table. I know Matt's got his over there as well. And then just made a little tuna fish the night before. Didn't really feel like cooking, so did this instead of cooking on the trail. At least I got the coffee going. That's in that little Tokes cup. Homemade tuna fish. I've got egg in here. I thought it was Huck rub, it's not. I forgot I actually put Italian seasoning in here, a little bit of vinegar. And then I've got sprouts, so you guys can see. Relish as well, dill pickle relish. And it is good. It's one of my favorite sandwiches to have are these homemade tuna fish. I've shown this in other videos, but from what I was told, this was like a general store up here at the mining camp. You see, this is probably the main entrance to go in. There's something else right here, some wood going up. There's some old bed frames in here. Like some old pipe. I was on the ground. Really neat to see. If I come down, I'll just come inside real quick again for y'all. You got a tree growing up here in the middle. And now I'm inside. Who knows how tall it was or nothing, but got a tree that's fallen down through. Pretty neat to see though. We packed up camp, gonna head back down the riverbed. There's stuff going coming up, huh?
Sure was.
It's from the
a lot harder than last time.
The Valentine's Day flood has changed the course of Mill Creek down there, and it's a lot of rock scrambling. There's trees that you gotta go over now. There's not really a trail that goes up anymore through the canyon. So if you're ever coming up this way, just be aware. It's a lot of rock scrambling, a lot of going through down trees. Even to get to here, it was a little bit easier last time, but we had to go up the side of the creek bed, which is probably a good 5 feet high or so. So just be aware if you're ever coming up this way. It's changed a lot from what it's been like the past few years. But now we're gonna head back down and get back to the car and call it a day. I was not expecting to be post holing today. Just went next to this rock and went down almost to my knee. Actually, I think it did go almost to my knee there. Matt got a good laugh out of it.
Oh yeah.
So now I just know I gotta be a little bit more careful heading down this little ice and snow field right here next to the creek. We thought it'd be easier up here than being in the creek. I wanted to show you all the view up here. So this is Mill Creek Canyon going up this way. It'll take you to the jump off, and that's where you go up and do the Ukaipa Ridge. If I come this way, hopefully it's in view for you. But way down there is Baldy. You can see that really well today, and it looks like the whole valley's socked in clouds while we get the blue skies. Lucky us. And it's cool to come up this riverbed now and see everything exposed, new rocks and new trees that have fallen over and new obstacles, but it's fun. It's fun to see. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. We're on our way back to the car right now. Good time, good food.
That's right.
And just enjoying the outdoors. And if you did like the video though, give it a like, give it a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe. Comment below, all that good stuff. Always appreciate it. So until the next one, thanks for having me.